model, 60-plate Ford Transit 115 T350L rear-wheel drive. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 212,622. MOT, 15 September 2024. Engine, 2401 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine seized, will need repairing or replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400